Hello, I'm Susan Baumgaertel, and welcome to Navigating Your Health with myMDadvocate, Episode 7. I need help with weight management. So, do the following thoughts resonate with you? You've been there, done that, you're intelligent, you're well-read, you've tried many programs and approaches, but the pounds just won't come off. Or if they do, they just come right back and then some. How do you reasonably approach diet changes, and will they work? What exercises will help and how much? How about stress management? How does that play a role? As you get older, you find that it is often much more difficult to lose weight. It's also maddening that you can't target a certain body part for weight loss, right? You feel that you need to lose weight to be healthier, but you need support. You need accountability. You need structure. Surprise! I've actually already given a lecture on this very subject, and it was just actually back in December of 2022. So it was called What I've Learned from Running a Weight Management and Wellness Program for 7 years. This live streamed lecture was recorded and you can watch it for free. So I put the link in this YouTube video comment section, or you can just hop on over to doctorsonsocialmedia.com, search for my profile page and click the free lecture link there. And you enter your email, but don't worry, I won't spam you. So my Menu for Change program ran from 2012 to 2019 and focused on helping people better manage their weight. It morphed beautifully into a wellness program with many different components to it. So the lecture I gave summarized this 7-year program in just under 40 minutes, so it was kind of a long lecture, but was a lot of fun. So I really hope that you make a cup of tea, put your feet up, and watch it. So you'll learn about the inspirational backstory, which includes meeting Jack LaLanne and many other movers and shakers. All the moving parts that came together to run the program, including outstanding experts in internal medicine, naturopathic care, acupuncture, nutrition, Tai Chi, yoga, core movement, many other disciplines. It was really rather robust. You'll also learn what it really means to focus on nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress. You'll get a teaser introduction to the 10-minute oasis for stress relief, something that I concocted. And you'll also learn how to have the right outlook to embrace change and prioritize yourself. And last but certainly not least, you'll reclaim the importance of joy and kindness in this whole process. So I truly hope you'll enjoy watching. Please join me again soon for the final episode in this series, which is episode 8, I Feel Stuck with My Medical Issues. So thanks for watching this quickie and have a great day.